Tirukkolur Pen Pillai's 53rd statement, Kaattukku poneno Perumalai pole. Did I go to forest like Perumal did? She refers Rama as Perumal here. Dasharatha, father of Sri Rama, made arrangements for the coronation of Rama, and Dasharatha consulted the Rajaguru and fixed the date, and he got the opinion from the common people of Ayodhya to have the function for Sri Rama. And all arrangements were made. The next day the coronation had to take place. But there was a conspiracy took place. In the same palace, Manthara, that hunchback woman, she was close to Kaikeyi, one of the wives of Dasharatha. She came running to Kaikeyi after hearing that Rama was going to be crowned. And initially Kaikeyi was happy about that news. But this lady poisoned her mind by saying, you will not be given due recognition, you will not get due respect, because you were not going to be the mother of a king. So only Kaushalya Devi will be getting all the recognition. So she kept on adding more and more poisonous words to her. Finally, she agreed. She listened to Manthara, and the Manthara reminded Kaikeyi about the 2 boons she got from Dasharatha. So Kaikeyi asked the boons. She started arguing with Dasharatha, and he asked the 2 boons. The 2 boons were: 1, Bharata, her son Bharata, to be crowned as king of Ayodhya. Number 2, Rama to be sent to forest for 14 years. Dasharatha pleaded with her. He said, I will agree for Bharata becoming king, but not for Rama going to Vanavasa. But she was very firm in not changing her mind. And it is believed that Rama and Sita, they prayed to Lord Ranganatha. In the palace, there was a puja room where they had the deity Sri Ranganatha. Both of them were praying to God. So it is the play of Lord Vishnu that Kaikeyi had to be firm in this decision, so that Rama, who was in coronation of Lord Vishnu, to go to forest. Because Rama Avataram was taken by Lord Vishnu to show the people how Dharma has to be followed, even when a man is in very ordinary position, that is, whether he is poor or whether he is in the palace or whether he is in the forest. So wherever he is, at any stage of his life, he has to follow only Dharma. So to make people understand, Rama Avataram was taken by Lord Vishnu. So here Rama had to go to forest. If Kaikeyi had not changed the mind, Rama would not have gone. So this was a play by Lord Vishnu. So it is given in some of the books. So finally Kaikeyi, she became very adamant, and she got the 2 boons from Dasharatha. And Dasharatha, after granting the boons, he fainted, and Kaikeyi told Rama that you are going to the forest for 14 years. You will be spending another 14 years in forest. Rama was not perturbed by this. He was neither happy when he was announced that he was going to be the king, nor sad when he was said he had to go to the forest. Rama remained with pleasant smile on his face and calm under both the situations. So when Kaikeyi told him about the Vanavasa, he accepted with a very pleasing smile. This was referred by Tirukkolur Pen Pillai in this statement. And Rama not only accepted that with a smile, when he went to Vanavasa, both Rama and Sita left their costly jewels, the ornaments, and the costly dress, the palace, and they wore only the dress made up of bark, tree barks, and left the palace. So, Tirukkolur Pen Pillai referring this, and she was telling Ramanujar, who was Lakshmana during Treta Yuga. Rama was so matured enough and he remained calm during all the situations, and he never got angry, and he accepted whatever came in his way. But I am not like him, because there is no scope of living in this town. I am leaving this place. I have not made up my mind to serve God and stay here. Instead, I thought I should go out of this place for making money outside. So she was talking about her impatience, and she could not handle the situation well like Rama. That is what she referred. Did I go to forest like Perumal? Kaattukku poneno Perumalai pole.